Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaibhavi and watching my channel right out there. So today's video is going to be what's in my makeup bag. So without any further delay, let's get to the video. I know it's been a long time since my last video, but we are back. My exams and my assignments were going on, so that's was the reason. But we are back in a very good energy. So today's video is about what's in my makeup bag, and this is first. I have two makeup bags, so this is one of them, which is Barbie, which I got it from Miniso, and next one is this black pouch, very basic black pouch. So let's see what I have in this bag basically. So let me open it for you guys. And this is very loaded, very heavy also. So this also I have in this. So the first thing, we'll start with the favorite, right? So I have this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Tinted Serum, and I mean, this is like second skin. I got it in Diwali, and since I have not stopped using it, I'm wearing it right now even, and it's perfect if someone who don't like that heavy foundations. And this is perfect for you. I'm in the shade 34 light medium. It's very lightweight, gives good coverage also. I really love this, and I will put the prices in the description box. But I really love this, and it stays for a really long time, and it's perfect for oily skin also. Okay, so yeah. The next thing is the Skay Beauty's loose powder. Now I got it for a wedding, and when I wear it, it's like my makeup was staying for almost 24 hours, and I really love it. It's very don't give you that cakey finishing after wearing a loose powder, and it's perfect for oily skin. Even I love the packaging. I'm in the shade latte, and I really love this. The packaging is really very cute. Okay. Now next is like very chatter tools of makeup, which is basic tools which we all have, is loose powder. I forget the name. Loose powder sponge. Then the blush brush. Yeah, blush brush. Now, yeah, it's obviously pink because I use a lot of blush. So yeah, I'm a blush public, so it has to be pink in this way. Then I have two makeup sponges. Now only this one is useful. This I got from Westside, and this is from Zudio. Now this one is like hard rock. It feels like I'm torturing my skin when I blend with makeup with this. That's why I have not used it. And this is from Zudio. It's very soft. Oh, this is not from Westside. This is from Miniso. Yeah, this is from Miniso and it's from Zudio. Yeah. It's really very soft. I love the marble print on it. Next I have is Maybelline Sky High Mascara. Now I have been using this for a long time, and it's waterproof. It's perfect while removing. Don't give you that raccoon eyes while removing it, and it's waterproof. It's lengthens your lashes also really nice, and I have been using it for a really long time. I use it in my every shoot and my every makeup look. So yeah. Next I have is this is from Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer, and I really use makeup fixers. I really very less I have a use of makeup fixer, but this is with aloe vera with vitamin E. Use makeup fixer when there is any wedding functions or anything like that. Otherwise, there is no use of makeup fixer. I feel so. Yeah. Next, I have is this Zudio hand cream. I don't know why this is in my makeup bag. Like this should be in my bag actually, handbag, but why I don't know why this is in my makeup bag. Yeah, and this is in vanilla. Yeah, this is in vanilla flavor. Yeah. Next thing I have is this Elf primer. Now, if you're looking for the best primer, this is it. It just holds your makeup so perfectly, and after using it, you don't even need setting spray. This is enough. This is enough. Okay, and I have not finished it, but yeah, this is perfect, and I have been using it from a long time now. Even my mom's like this. Next I have is this Maybelline Superstay foundation. Now I use foundations very less, since I have got this tint. And one more thing which we'll get to know in the further video why I have stopped using foundations less. But I really love this. It's there is no comment. This is a perfect foundation, but I feel foundation gives me very heavy feeling. That's why I try to avoid using foundations as much as I can. And but this is really nice because it's lavender packaging, so I anyhow love it. So yeah, but I really love this foundation also, and I don't know the shade exactly, the shade, but I will put it in the description box. Don't worry. But I really love this, and if you are someone who loves foundation, then this, you can definitely go for this. And when you're a beginner, just go for this foundation. It gives really good coverage. Next is this Huda Beauty's lipstick. Now this my sister got it from Ireland, and I really love this shade. This very bold red shade. It's in matte, but look at the shade. Just can you look at the shade? It's so good. Like, I have views of during Diwali. I will pop up the photo of that Diwali look. This really is very, and it's very long lasting. Like when you remove it, it don't even go at that time. That it's really nice. Okay, so if you're looking for a good red lipstick, go for this then. Next is this Swiss Beauty's blush. Now I love cream blush and stick blushes more than the powder ones. So yeah, and this is what I use this on my daily basis because the shade is really very light and it's perfect for daily wear. And I'm in the shade Check Me Up. Okay, Check Me Up. It's broke. I broke it. Oh my god. I just broke it from here. But it's fine. But I'm going to still use it. And I've got it like 2-3 months back only. So it's not that much used. Yeah, I can still use it. And I feel sometimes, I don't know if you guys do it, but if you have the extra blush on a hand, just put it on your lips and your lips will look really good. Like you don't even need a lipstick. This is the perfect thing. So this is good for the lips also. Next, my favorite liner, which is from NARS. Now, ever since I got this NARS liner, I have not used any other liner. This is so long lasting, gives you perfect glide, perfect wing. So I really love this, and it's a bit expensive, but I really like it. Next is this Swiss Beauty's Dual Passport eyeshadow palette. Now this also has eyeshadow and blush. Let me open it for you. So this is the blush and these are the eyeshadow shades. I really love this. I very rarely use eyeshadows. Like if I'm wearing anything Indian, that time only I wear eyeshadows. Otherwise, there is no me and eyeshadows have no matches together. Next is my Master Chrome Maybelline's highlighter. Now this is the best powder highlighter. If you're looking for a good powder highlighter, go for this. I've worn this for the weddings, and people have literally asked me what highlighter you're wearing, like how you're getting that glue. So this is that thing, and I know it's a bit messy right now. So yeah, but I really love this highlighter, and I will put the shade in the description box. Don't worry. But yeah, this is really good. I think this my mom actually brought for me. So yeah. Next, oh, I have eyeshadow palette again. This is from Mars Dance of Joy eyeshadow palette. Now this have really good pink shades. So I have got this for my one of my dance programs. So yeah, it's from that, and I really love the silver one in this. It's really good, and the pink from pink. I love this one. Like this and the silver one, I have been using it a lot. So yeah. I have one more eyeshadow palette which is Tom Ford eyeshadow palette. This my sister bought it for me, and this has really good brown shades. Yeah, like just look at it. Just look at it. Okay, now I have lost the I have lost the brush of this, but they have really good shades. And I really this has folk shades, and I really love the packaging. Is so luxurious. Like just look at it. Just look at it. Okay, so I use it when I want like a good eye, and the pigments are really good of this. Okay, the pigments is like awesome, and I use it mostly during my weddings. I told you that I don't use eyeshadows much. I use it only during Indian wear or weddings. I don't go for eyeshadow regularly or when wearing a western because I feel eyeshadows make the makeup more bold. But I love eyeshadows. It's not like I don't love them, but we just I feel it just gives something over. I feel sometimes, so that's why I'm going whenever I wear Indian or whenever there is a wedding or a big function at that time only wear eyeshadows. So yeah, this is the next is the Swiss Beauty's blush. This is a cream one, and it's very pigmented. Like this much amount is all amount is perfect for your cheeks. I use it during the wedding because it's not good for, I feel, everyday use, because not like it's good, but I will prefer this one for a daily one and this one for like even any events or anything, because it's very pigmented. So that's why. But I really love these both the blushes. And if you're looking for a good affordable blush, then go for the Swiss Beauty blushes. They have really good collection. They have really good shades also. Next one is the Hello Glow Elf Hello Glow filter. Now this is perfect for the festive looks or that wedding looks. And this is the reason why I stopped using foundation. So this is the applicator and it's like second skin. Okay, so this is the reason why I stopped using the foundations, because it's like very lightweight on your skin, perfect for the oily skin. So I really love this. And this, if you don't like foundation, go for this, and this is perfect. Okay, thing I have is this MAC mascara. Now I personally don't like this mascara a lot because it's very difficult to remove. It gives you those raccoon eyes. It gives really good lengthening and volume to your lashes, but not the raccoon eyes thing. So I try to avoid it as much as I can. But I really like the packaging of it and the length and volume of this. So yeah, that's why. Next is this K Beauty's lip tint. Now I use it when I want to create lip combos. I love the applicator of it. Okay, let me show. It's heart shape and the smell is like gulkand. So I really love this. And the packaging also really nice. So yeah, I think I love all K Beauty products. Okay, is this eyelash curler, which I very rarely use. Why, I will tell you. So what I do personally, I will keep my fingers under my lashes for like 10 to 5 seconds and use this. Okay, and then apply my mascara. So that's the only reason why I use this technique. I don't use this. Okay, and I think it gives same volume and same length to your lashes. There's nothing difference. But I do use this. It's not like I don't use it. But if you don't want to buy a eyelash color, you can use this technique also. Next I have is the Swiss Beauty's lip liner. Now you cannot go wrong with this lip liner. It will go on each and every outfit and with each and every lip combo also. This is one of my favorite lip liners. Yeah. Next is the Swiss Beauty's brown kajal. Now I personally prefer brown kajals more than black kajal. So yeah, this is the way it looks like. I have used it a lot. And if you're looking for a good brown kajal, go for the Swiss Beauty or K Beauty one. They both are the perfect brown kajals. So yeah. Next I have is the Sugars lip liner and kajal sharpener. Next is this Q2 lipstick from Studio West, which is West Side. I got it from there, and this is very red toned lipstick. I really love this. Next, I have is this Maybelline New York's Age Divine Concealer. I personally don't prefer this concealer because it gives really very cakey vibe on your skin and very heaviness. So I try to avoid this concealer as much as I can. So yeah, that's the only reason. We are almost done. All done. We are almost not. We are done only with this pouch. So this is whole empty now. This is the second pouch. Now this all have chatter-putter. These are very small things which I cannot fit in this pouch. Like when there is no space in this pouch, I go with this pouch. So yeah. So first is this eyeshadow brush. Okay, this is also from Swiss Beauty. Next I have this Maybelline New York's liquid blush. I really love this shade. It's so good. And the shade is so pretty, right? So yeah, that's one of my favorite blush. I have a lot of blush. I should actually post a video only about blush. Next, I have this Swiss Beauty's concealer. This is perfect for beginners, for college going girls. It's the perfect concealer. I have over this. Yeah, it's almost finished. So it don't have anything right now. But it's really good. Okay, and it's very affordable also. So that's why. Next, I have this Huda Beauty's Kajal. Now, this is the only brown kajal. Sorry, this is only black kajal I love. So yeah, I've not used kajal from a really long time. I feel last I have applied kajal, I don't even remember now. Yeah. So yeah, this now next is this NARS lipstick. Next is this NARS lipstick. Now this is a liquid lipstick, but the shade just don't suit my skin. The application and the formula is also really nice, but the shade is not good for my lips and my skin tone. So it just blends with my skin really nicely. So I have used it very lessly, or I don't even remember if I used it or not. But if I have used it, I must have used it with some combos. So yeah, that's why. And then I have this small blender for the concealer to just blend your eyes. So yeah. Next I have is this no, this is from Swiss Beauties lipstick, brown lipstick, I guess it is. Yeah, it's brown lipstick, and okay now the I've started loving brown lipsticks a lot, and this is a Swiss Beauties one. I really love. This is non-transfer. It's very lightweight also, and if you're looking for a affordable brown lipstick, you can definitely go with this. Okay. Next is this small blush from Me on Chick and Lip Tint blush, which in the shade Red Romance. Okay. I very rarely use this, but I personally don't like the blush which have applications like this because it's very difficult to apply. It's very difficult to just blend it like this. Okay, so that's the only reason I have stopped using this, because it's very, because when starting it is really nice to apply, but when it goes deep, it's just very difficult to take the product and just blend it. That's why I avoid using this blush. Next thing is actually very recent thing. I have put it in my makeup vanity or pouch, whatever you can say. Is this clips? Okay, I got it from West Side. Yeah, I got it from West Side, and they are actually very good. Like, that's it. It looks good, right? It's cute also. So I love the clips. So that's the only reason I got it, and it's very convenient when you are doing makeup and all. So I'm looking very funny. So I really love it. That's why, and I this is like in pink pink, and this is in the hot pink. So I got it from the West Side. It was a pack. Yeah, it was a pack of two. So I got it from there. So yeah. So I feel every girl should even have these things in their in her bag, because obviously you need these things. Like, it's very obviously you can wear your hairband also, but for that cute aesthetic looks, you can prefer this clips, right? So, yeah. So we are done with this pouch also, right? It's also empty. So yeah. So here we come to end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. Most exciting vlogs and videos are going to come on this channel, so don't forget to watch it and comment down what's your favorite makeup product. See you in my next video. Bye.